Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Trading Options Network. It is about 2 minutes from the bell. And, I specifically waited till this time to do our live training because I wanted to go ahead and see what happens with NVDA. But before we do anything, let's go ahead and get our disclosure out of the way. As always, everything that we discuss today is solely my opinion, not the opinion of Trading Options Network. That being said, let's get right into it now. Let's go ahead and pull up wonderful NVIDIA. And I'll actually go on the 1 minute chart. We are just over just crossed 1 minute, 60 seconds till the end of the day. And I would not be surprised if the very first bar after this, the market closes, shoots well over or under um, this chart here. So maybe I should squeeze it just a little bit. Yeah, that should be good. That should be good. All right. That being said, the market didn't really do too much. It was pretty flat today. Let's see here, actually. We'll go ahead and go over here, check out SPY real quick. All right, so as you can see, we did a lot more of pretty much nothing today. Let me get some of these. I don't need the 200 moving average right now. Get some, I don't need these. All right, that makes it a little bit better. All right, so we definitely dipped when the FOMC minutes came out. Oh, it is 3 o'clock. Let's get over here. Oop, nothing yet. Nothing yet. But as I was mentioning a moment ago, when the FOMC minutes came out, there was a little bit of a dip in the market, but as you can see, it was bought right back. Hence the lower shadow there. Looks like there was a little bit of a run here at the end of the day as well. Well, I guess I shouldn't even say at the end of the day. This is a 3 minute chart. But everyone's getting excited for the NVIDIA earnings. Let's see, still nothing from NVIDIA yet. There's a huge amount of volume there at the end of the day, which I'm not surprised about at all. There we go. You don't really need all that time there. All right. But yeah, the FOMC minutes came out. The market just pretty much went on a downward spiral. And then for the last hour and a half, roughly, it slowly but surely recouped most of that. Again, there really wasn't much else going on in the market. If I were to go back, it was pretty much nothing all day long until the FOMC minutes came out, which I'm not surprised. Everyone was waiting for them. They pretty much said exactly what I was expecting, and that was it's unlikely there's going to be any rate cuts this year. Oh, still nothing for NVIDIA. Not yet, anyways. Not quite. It's going to happen, though. It's bound to happen any moment now. But yeah, kind of like what I said yesterday, we're having this, it's almost like a tug of war, but nobody wants to participate. And I thought maybe the FOMC minutes was going to trigger something, and it seemed to trigger a little bit, but nothing. It wasn't a catalyst to move in and hold into either direction. Now, like I said, it went down a little bit and then came right back. So the next potential catalyst is going to be the NVIDIA earnings here. And as of right now, it's going up, but I guarantee nothing has been reported yet. Once it's reported, we're going to see a massive, massive candle. I can almost guarantee it. This is one of those where doing like a straddle or a strangle could potentially be profitable, but it's still extremely risky because of the high premiums that NVIDIA comes with. So I am not one to gamble, as I always say, on earnings. I just think that is way too risky for me. I'm not a gambler, not when it comes to options trading, anyways. But again, put me on that poker table, man. I love me some poker. Still waiting for NVIDIA to do something. Let's see here. I'll go ahead and pull up some other earnings. I have no idea what any of them did today. I know Target actually gapped down pretty good. I did see that one. And it's more or less not because I have a position in Target, but because I do have my position in Dollar General, as I was mentioning a little bit yesterday. And Dollar General was definitely affected by it. So I went and looked at the Target stock to see what it was doing. In fact, let's go ahead and pull that one up really quick because I'm curious just for my own, out of my own curiosity, how it ended. Because I saw that it gapped down quite a bit and it was going green. Okay, so it went green, went decently green for a while, compared to where it opened, anyways. But ultimately did come back down and finished with a long upper candle. I mean, upper candle, sorry, upper wick. So, who knows what's going to happen with um, Target moving forward. I don't really care because I don't have a position in it right now. If I were to, if 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 I were to open up a position right now, I would, based on what I'm seeing here, without doing any other analysis or anything, I would think we can potentially go down to this 130 area because that's where we gapped up 2 earnings ago. Well, technically 3 earnings ago now. But until it really shows me something, it's well outside of any kind of um, like the Bollinger Bands, if I were to put those on. Um, Obviously, it gapped well below this trend line, so that's bearish, but huge, huge volume compared to previous days. So, I mean, it could easily go right back up and close this gap or continue moving down. It's not one that I would play right now. That being said, let's go back to see if NVIDIA's done anything. Nope, not yet. Still waiting. Let me see if I can pull. Oh, that's a long lower wick though. All right, I'm looking at it on my phone as well. Oh, excuse me. Hmm. Yeah, it's not really doing anything. I mean, obviously, it's not doing anything. I was trying to see if there's like any news articles or anything popping up on my phone. I don't see anything yet. So just waiting, just waiting. I'll give it like maybe another 5 or 10 minutes, see what happens. But again, the only reason I was doing this live training right now is just to have this one while NVIDIA was reporting their earnings because it'll be fun. It'll be fun to watch. I have zero equity in NVIDIA right now, but it's just one of those that everyone watches because again, it's a $2.4 trillion company. Um, has potential to do a lot, um, have a lot of pull in the market, either up or down. So see what happens. Still not seeing anything though. Calendar wise, I'll just go ahead and pull this out tomorrow. We do have the initial jobless claims in the morning. We did have existing home sales today. Let me go ahead and refresh this page. I believe it came out at like 4.18 or something like that. Let's see, 4.14. Okay. So under what was expected, which is funny because the market gap down, but that's kind of, even though it is quote unquote bad news, it should be good news for the market. But we're having quite a bullish market right now. So um, it's the market, in my opinion, is not really looking at news as good news is bad news and bad news is good news right now, which is I think it personally should, with the fact that we are still competing with inflation and everything. But that's just not how the market is taking news right now. So the fact that it was under what was expected is a bearish signal in a typical market. Tomorrow we have the initial jobless claims. If it comes in like hotter than expected, again, I would think good news is bad news and bad news is good news right now because we are still battling that inflation. But if it comes out hotter than expected, I would not be surprised if we gap down more. Still nothing with it. Oh man, they are making us wait. I can't keep waiting here. Oh man. Let's see here. Any new news here? US stocks drop. Oil tumbles after Fed minutes. NVDA results eyed. I'm telling you, I mean, everyone's looking at NVIDIA right now. Unusual options activity in Taiwan, semiconductor ADRs today. Oh man, trading strategies for NVIDIA stock before and after Q1 earnings. I mean, I'm telling you, it is everybody's watching it. I don't know who this person is. And one of my red flags is always listening to everybody else. But this guy is kind of a funny comment. Life changing money about to be handed out to 10 to 20% of people in the next 19 hours. Don't listen to people like that. That guy has no idea what he's talking about. For all we know, earnings is not going to do anything. It's not going to have any movement in the market or, NVIDIA is not going to have any movement at all. And everyone's going to be a loser. God forbid. I hope that doesn't happen. Um, but gosh, man, life changing money about to be handed out. That is a gambler mindset. That's one of my red flags. Don't have a gambler's mindset when trading options. Yes, you can make life changing money, but more than likely you're going to lose all your money. Let's see, his earning missed at 22 minutes. Maybe this guy has some insider information. All this hype for $1. No, it's not $1. They haven't announced it yet. I'm telling you, man, people are stupid. You know, oh, what time is earnings? Oh my gosh. Let's see. Gosh, I'm sorry. I enjoy laughing at some people's comments sometimes. What time is the announcement? Snowflake missed, but up 8.4%. Let's just take a look at that really quick. Gosh, what is snow? Is it just SOSN snow? I think. Yeah. Whew, that's quite a gapper or quite a candle, I should say. Oh man, oh man. I will say it seems to want to come right back down though. It's already back halfway. It's already given up half of what it's already what it went up to is at its top. Ugh, I can't even talk right now. All right. Man, I haven't looked at Snowflake in a while. They've been, I was gonna say, they've been trading down. I remember they were at like 240, 250, I thought for a while. Yeah. Up there. Oops. Yeah, whatever. God, look at these. That's lit is not doing anything. Just gonna sit back here and wait. Okay, I'm just kidding. I can't just sit here and not do anything. Oh, it's moving. You just look at that. It moved a little. Oh, it's going back. I'm sorry. I'm a goofy guy. What can I say? I like having fun. Believe it or not, when I'm not in front of the camera and I'm sitting here at my desk by myself, I still talk like this. Oh man, we're waiting. We are waiting. Let's see. I don't really have anything else. I mean, again, today was a boring day for the most part, even with the FOMC minutes. Um, what do we have coming out tomorrow for earnings? Intuit, excuse me. I'm not even really familiar with Medtronic or Toronto Dominion Bank. Obviously, it's a financial company. The financials have been, from what I've been seeing, relatively strong in earnings. Um, but again, I haven't looked too much into them. See, Dollar Tree. That'll be fun. Oh, wait, it's not saying it's disclosed what time. Yeah, time not supplied. Let's see. Ross. Ross will be PM tomorrow. Let's see. What about Friday? If we have anything on Friday, not really. Coca-Cola Euro Pacific Partners PLC. No idea what that is. I mean, I would imagine it's an affiliate of Coca-Cola, but What the specific company does, no idea. Oops, wrong way. Oh man, still nothing, man. NVIDIA, they are enjoying this. They are making people sweat. Like, come on, let's do it. Oh, let's see here. All right. Well, oh, I have a place I need to be at 4 o'clock Central Time. So that is only 47 minutes from now. So I'll give it a few more minutes to see if we can get this show on the road, NVIDIA. Come on, we're all waiting. Let's see. Man. Um, just trying to find things to talk about at this point. Friday, durable goods orders. I mean, I could have a little bit. Well, it looks like the projected is a significant drop off from um, last month. Excuse me. But we'll see what that brings. Uh-oh, it's making a move. Is it a fake out or is this it? It really did just go up a buck. Oh man, technically $1.50, sorry. Oh geez. And then it does that. Are we getting close? I'm on the edge of my seat. I don't know about you guys. That's one heck of a lower wick. I wish it was like New Year's Eve where we can just have that countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7. Watch it happen right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy NVIDIA. No, we're not. Gosh, man. Well, oh, I don't know. NVIDIA is making us wait, making us play that waiting game. We're all sitting here looking stupid, staring at our screens for no reason. Well, I shouldn't say for no reason. I'm sure a lot of people do have a lot of money on it, and oh, I would not be able. I would probably be throwing up if I was most people right now. Can't imagine. Let's see. The I don't want to change from the screen right now, so I'll just tell you based on my phone. Looks like an at the money call that literally just expires this Friday. For example, good Lord, just under $4,000 for an at the money call. That means the stock would have to move $40 to be profitable if you held it to expiration, anyways. Gosh, man, that's insane. People are doing this. Let's see what the open interest is 13,751 in open interest. That's the 950 strike call option that expires in 2 days. That's how many gamblers are out there. Don't be one of those people. I mean, God, $4,000. If you're a multi-millionaire and you want to get one for fun, whatever. But man, if you have a $10,000 account and you're buying one or two of these, gosh, like I said, I'd be throwing up. I have a pretty strong stomach too. And at the money put is about the same. It's about $4,000. So either which way, if you're bullish or bearish, this stock is going to have to move 40 points. Which is about 5%. It's just only about 5%. Which it can easily do, but man, I'm not betting $4,000. And if you were to do a straddle, that means you're basically buying both. So you're having to spend $8,000, which means it would have to move 80 points or nearly 10% for you to be profitable. I mean, these premiums for NVIDIA are just insane right now. And we're getting a couple of red bars there. I don't know if some information is coming out now or people are just getting antsy and if they have access to selling their shares, they're doing that now because they just can't wait any longer. I mean, who knows what's going on right now? All I know is that I'm probably going to end this in a couple of minutes. And the moment I end it, NVIDIA is going to release their earnings. And I'm going to miss it literally by that much. Oh, man. Let's see what S&P is doing. Oops, not soy. All right. S&P just down 37 cents in after hours. So it's kind of just, again, it's just waiting for NVIDIA to report. That's all it's doing. But NVIDIA is being a punk. It's teasing everyone right now. Man, like I have no money in this. And I'm freaking excited to see what happens. Yeah, it's literally not doing anything. What's up? Yeah. Oh, there it is. Holy gee. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. That. Oh, it went down even more. Oh, geez. It's coming right back. Oh my God. And it's like, screw that. I'm going up instead. Just kidding. Oh, I have a buddy that actually bought a call in NVIDIA and I told him he was crazy. And I guarantee his heart just dropped. And now he's probably oh man, he's probably super excited right now. Good Lord. Wow. I am very I don't know, like listening to the calls are all boring to me. But good Lord. I mean, I don't think I've ever seen something drop like that and immediately reverse and go even higher than it went down, or vice versa. That's crazy. That's crazy. Gosh, for a second I thought we were going to go right back down again. Oh man, we might. Nope. Maybe. Who knows? That was quite the reaction, though. Straight down to straight up. All right. Well, obviously, I'm sure most of you, like myself, will continue watching. Oh, there. It's a little bit red now. Oh, and it's like, nah, I'll just stay up here. Anyways, as I was saying, I'm sure a lot of you will continue to watch it throughout the afternoon just to see where it continues to go, if it goes higher, if it comes back. But hey, we finally saw it. That was funny. What a drop. And then what a reversal almost instantaneously. That was crazy. But we'll see what happens. And I'm sure we'll talk about it more tomorrow. That being said, you guys have a great rest of your afternoon.